This next video covers the distributive property when there are integer coefficients. So the distributive property is this. Let A, B, and C be real numbers, then A times B plus C equals AC plus BC, i.e. multiplication distributes over addition, or subtraction too, right? So let's work through this example. I have negative 2 times 5 plus 3, and I'm going to show you that that's equivalent to negative 2 times 5 plus negative 2 times 3. So I have here on the left side, negative 2 times 8, because I want to take care of my grouping symbols first. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, plus negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So I have negative 16 equals negative 16. Now, this is great, right? When we've got all real numbers, but what if our real numbers are being represented by a variable? What if I had negative 2 times x plus 3 and I wanted to simplify that? Well, then I'm going to use the distributive property to get rid of that grouping symbol. So let's work through a few examples, remembering that we need to distribute our leading, that constant in the front. You have to distribute it to both terms. That's crucial, very crucial. So here I have negative 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 6. I'm going to have to distribute it to all three, right? Because I'm taking negative 2 times each of these. So I'm going to take negative 2 times x squared. That gives me a negative 2x squared. Then I have a negative 2 times a negative 4. Two negatives make a positive, so that gives me a positive 8x. Then I have negative 2 times 6, which gives me a negative 12. Let's do this again. Here I have negative 4 times negative 4u. That gives me a positive 16u. I have negative 4 times v. That gives me a negative 4v. And I have a negative 4 times 1. That gives me a negative 4. Note, I can't simplify this any further. U and v are not like terms. I can't combine like terms up here either. Next, for number 3, I have negative 12 times 8. That gives me a negative 96. Negative 12 times a negative x gives me a positive 12x. For our last example, I have negative 3 times 2y cubed. That gives me a negative 6y cubed. I have negative 3 times a negative y squared. That gives me 3y squared. And then I have negative 3 times negative 7. That gives me a positive 21.